Hi, welcome to the Mathematics MI channel. Today we are going to discuss about subfactorial. Okay, first if we take 1 subfactorial, this is equal to 0, and 2 subfactorial, this is equal to 1, and 3 subfactorial, this is equal to 2, and 4 subfactorial, this is equal to 9, and also 5 subfactorial is 44, and 6 double factorial subfactorial is equal to 265, and 7 subfactorial is equal to 1854, and so on. Okay, what is the subfactorial? Well, subfactorial, also called the derangement number, is the number of permutations of n elements in which no object appears in its natural place. Okay, for example, the derangement of 1, 2. So we know 1, 2. Only one term, so this is equal to 1, and we know this is 2 subfactorial. Okay, next if we take 1, 2, 3, we can write derangement of 1, 2, 3. So 2, 3, 1, and 3, 1, 2. Okay, now 2 terms, so this is equal to 2, and we know this is 3 subfactorial. Okay, next if we take 1, 2, 3, and 4, so here we can write 2, 1, 4, 3, and next 2, 3, 4, 1, and next 2, 4, 1, 3, and next 3, 1, 4, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Okay, this is equal to 9, and we know this is 4 subfactorial. Okay, what are the formulas for n subfactorial? So first, n subfactorial is equal to n factorial, and sum of k is equal to 0 to n minus 1 to the kth power over k factorial. Okay, now if we take example, so now we are going to find the 3 subfactorial by using this formula. So we know now here 3 factorial and 0 to, now n is equal to 3 minus 1 to the kth power over k factorial. Okay, now we know 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1, so 6, and k is equal to 0 to 3 minus 1 over k factorial. Now 6 times, we know, now plug in 0, so minus 1 to the 0, so 1 over, now 0 factorial is 1, and next first k is equal to 0, so then now k is equal to 1, so minus 1 to the 1, so minus 1 over, now 1 factorial, so 1, and next 0 1, so 2, so minus 1 to the, yeah, minus 1 square, so plus 1 over, now 2 factorial, so 2, and our last term minus 1 to the third power, so minus 1 over 3 factorial, so we know 3 factorial is equal to 6. Okay, now this term get cancelled, and here we know if we take 6, so 2, now 6 get cancelled, and this is equal to 2. Okay, now we know 3 subfactorial is equal to 2. Okay, now we can find subfactorial by using this general formula. Okay, next, subfactorials are also called the recurrence numbers satisfy the recurrence relations. Okay, so we can write n subfactorial is equal to n times n minus 1 subfactorial plus minus 1 to the nth power, and also we can write n subfactorial is equal to n minus 1 parenthesis n minus 1 subfactorial plus n minus 2 subfactorial. Okay, also we can find subfactorial using these formulas. Next, there are more formulas about subfactorials. So another formula, n subfactorial is equal to n factorial over e. Here n factorial is the usual factorial, and this is nearest integer function, and this is founded by M. Hassani in 2004. Okay, now another formula, n subfactorial is equal to n factorial plus 1 over e. Here, sorry, okay, now this is valid for n is greater than or equal to 1, and another equation, n subfactorial is equal to e plus e to the minus 1 times n factorial minus e times n factorial, and this is valid for n is not equal to 1. Okay, and here this is, if we take x, this is floor functions. Okay, now we have many formulas to find the subfactorial. Well, next we have an integral for the subfactorial. So n subfactorial is equal to minus 1 to the infinitive x to the n power times e to the minus x plus 1 dx. Okay, now okay, also if we look at the continued fractions for n subfactorial is given by n subfactorial is equal to n factorial over e plus minus 1 to the nth power over n plus 2 minus 1 over n plus 3 minus 2 over n plus 4 minus 3 over n plus 5 minus so on. Okay, finally we have a question. What is our question? 1 subfactorial plus 4 subfactorial plus 8 subfactorial plus 3 subfactorial plus 4 subfactorial plus 9 subfactorial. Okay, this is very special because the only number equal to the sum of subfactorial of its digits is, okay, now we know this is equal to 1 4 8 3 4 9. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, I used some reference like one of Michigan State University websites and some works. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.